Hey, I'm going live. Okay, we haven't done a YouTube live in a while with, end of the year and holiday stuff. So this Friday, February 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I am going to be on my channel, Porn Brain Reboot, Dr. Trish Leigh, for up to an hour. I'm going to be there answering your questions, fielding comments. Of course, I have an agenda. I'm going to walk you through my new awesome program that I am in the midst of building, that I am so proud of and so excited to be able to bring to you. I'm going to tell you what it involves. It is the ultimate toolbox to help you succeed in your reboot and in your journey this year, so you can get on purpose, stay motivated, stay inspired, have all the tools that are built on neuroscience to help you succeed. So don't miss out. Stay with me, meet me on Friday on YouTube Live, and let's do this thing. And remember, control your brain or it'll control you.